Hello, we are going to look at the set theory, okay, dealing with the Venn diagram. And so this is going to be a review for you. Suppose we're given this universal set. We have sets A, which includes sets A and B. Now note that the universal set, the elements in the universal set are what? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So let's put 19 in there. So we have 19. So we'll have that. All right, so we cover everybody. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have everybody in the universal set. So now let's just analyze, okay? What are your elements in set A? Okay, set A is, if you go around set A, it's in the blue circle. Okay, so what's the part of the blue circle? That would be elements 11, 13, 14, and 19. Okay, now what's part of your set B? Okay, set B has elements 12, 13, 17, 18, and 19. Okay, so we know what's in the universal set. We know what's in set A. We know what's in set B. So now what is this symbol here? Okay, remember that this is the intersection. This is what they have in common. Okay, this is what they share. So what is the intersection of A and B? We'll look and see where they overlap here. This is the intersection. This is where A and B overlap. So therefore, the intersection of A and B would be elements 13 and 19. Okay, now this U symbol, that is the union. Everything. What's part of A and what's part of B. So the union of A and B would be everybody excluding what's outside. Okay, so it would be 11, 12, 13, 14, we skip 15 and 16, and so we do 17, 18, and 19. This is part of the union of A and B. Okay, so all of this. You see, I do. All your stuff is put together. Now, going into the primes, A prime, okay? And I call it, I just say A prime. So basically, you're seeing all the elements that are not part of A, okay? So part of A is 11, 13, 14, and 19. But if we look at the universal set, okay, and if we do, just so that we don't overlook, so 11, 13, 14, and 19 are part of A. So that means that I want all the elements that are not part of A. So that will include everybody else. Okay. So I would have 12, 14, no, not 14. Take 14 out because that's part of A. That's underlined. Everybody that's not underlined. So I would have 12, 15, 16, 17, and 18, okay? These are the elements that are not part of A, so that's the A prime. What about B prime? B prime will be all the elements that are not part of B. So we know what's part of B, okay? All of this inside the red is part of B. So that means everybody else will be in part of B prime. So that's 11, 14, 15, and 16. So 11, 14, 15, and 16. Okay. Now looking at this one here, we have the union of A and B, but we want the prime of the union. So we know what's a part of the union is all of this. Okay. So we want everything but these numbers. So this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, and 19. So the union is all of this. Okay. And so what's not part of the union would be just 15 and 16. Okay. And the same thing with the intersection. The intersection of A and B is here. We want everything but the intersection. Okay, so that would include 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Just want to make sure we got everything. So 11 and 14 we have. 12, 17, 18, 15, 16. So that would be the A prime. Okay, so now we just touched on dealing with a Venn diagram, okay, analyzing the sets that are part of the universal set and looking at the different scenarios of each. So I hope that has been helpful. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know.